The Honor 10 is one of this year's hottest mid-range phones, and it's about to become even better thanks to GPU Turbo. Now, Honor is releasing a software update that dramatically improves gaming performance. If you have one, head to Settings, System, then System Update to check for updates, and then tap to install it if you have one waiting for you. Once downloaded, the latest update optimizes the firmware and almost magically boosts the frame rates and consistency of even the most graphically intense mobile titles. Whether you're into PUBG, Real Racing 3, Injustice 2, or any other demanding game, you'll see them perform smoother and without lag. In fact, it keeps up with some of the best and most powerful phones out there from big-name manufacturers when it comes to performance. Except this is a phone that costs considerably less than any of those. And it's not just about pushing the graphics processing to consistently higher frame rates either. It also enables HDR, boosting color saturation and contrast, as well as ensuring that the battery consumption is reduced, so it's more efficient too. The GPU Turbo update is rolling out now for the Honor 10, with the View 10, Honor 9 Lite, 7X, 8 Pro and Honor 9 due to get it over the next few weeks and months. Download it and let us know in the comments if you notice any changes in performance. Bye for now.